Hello and welcome to Tips with Chef Chris again. Here we are sitting in the month of November and we're just on the doorstep of Thanksgiving. And what a better time to talk about turkey brining than right now. So here we are with our bird and we're gonna get this thing ready for brine, and we wanna create our brine. So we're gonna use a nice big large pot, and I'm gonna go with my tried and true recipe that I've used before for doing poultry. And that's gonna be kosher salt, and 2 parts kosher salt to 1 part sugar. And then I use dried bay leaves, some whole black garlic or whole black peppercorns, some garlic cloves, and fresh thyme. And everything goes into the pot with 2 gallons of water. We'll have the recipe up for you on the website. Bring the whole thing to a solid rolling boil and then turn it off, leave it on your stove and let it just steep. You're gonna basically turn it into like a brine tea. And once a half hour-ish or so, we're gonna pull that off and we're gonna pour that over some ice in another large container, probably the container eventually where your turkey is gonna set and brine. We put it over the ice to get this as chilled as much as we can. Okay, we've got our turkey here and we've pulled it out of the brine, and it's been in the brine for 24 hours. This is about a 22-pound bird, so we gave it a little bit of extra time. We're just gonna season this thing and get it ready for going into the oven. The other thing that I wanted to talk about is a lot of the recommended ways to roast your turkey to come out with a really perfect bird for Thanksgiving. Of course, the ultimate goal is to have our dark meat and our breast all be nice and moist and cooked and done at the same time, which is a challenge because our dark meat usually always takes longer and you have to get it up to a higher temperature than your breasts for it to actually be done and cooked. So I use the Cook's Illustrated magazine people. I've got this best recipe book and they test everything in their test kitchen to come up with the best ofs. And what they recommend and what I recommend is to tent your turkey with foil. Not completely seal it all the way around your roasting pan, but just to tent over the turkey, and it's gonna help create some steam, and it's gonna have your breast be done and your dark meat be done all at the same time. The temperatures for roasting will be with the Brine Recipe on the website, and we've got this one seasoned. We've seasoned around the whole entire bird. We've seasoned the inside of the cavity as well. Some people like to get up underneath the skin right over the top of the breast, and you can do that. It could be butter. You can get, I mean, I've seen people put citrus up in there. It's all personal at that point, but this is ready for the oven. We're gonna go stick this in and we'll get to carving. So we've got our turkey and the turkey's done. I've temped it out with the digital probe thermometer. The breast is sitting at a perfect 160 and our dark meat is above 170. And then we're ready to go here. I've taken the foil off so that I could tempt the bird out. And we're ready to get this thing out of the oven. And we're gonna get this thing to the table. So here we have the presented product. It's heading out to the holiday table for family and friends. We want to thank you so much for being here for another one of these videos. And we want to wish you a happy and safe holiday season, and hope that you will check out our website to see all the fun events coming up in the new year. And that's probably when we're going to see you again as we head into this busy holiday season. So happy holidays from the Utah Valley Convention Center, Chef Chris, our crew, and all the team in the building.